Hey, I'm Jake with Jake's Roof Restorations out of Greencastle, Pennsylvania. Today we're in Gettysburg installing a membrane roof over an existing metal roof here at a gymnasium. I've been doing this kind of roofing for 17 years now. It was a family trade. We have a Facebook page. It's a great way to get in touch with us. It's just Jake's Roof Restorations. If you have any issues, send me the address. I'll do a free inspection and you'll definitely know more about your roofing after I'm there. I'd love to meet you. You can send me a message and get me out to your roof soon.